Hello, it's Monika from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and today I'm going to show you my take on hashtag PMA Craft Challenge and letter S for September. And I'm going to convince you that shaped cards are totally the best. Using SVG file and Canvas workspace, I created that beautiful cake topper. But using offset setting, I created slightly bigger background, which will help me to create my card base and also the background panel. So first I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to adhere the cake topper on my background panel. And this is very crucial because I'm going to show you how to create stained glass window effect using that technique. So if you have any electronic machine, I really hope you will feel inspired to play with some shapes and also some 3 SVG files, because in this case that was a free file, so I thought it would be perfect for today's project. And I'm going to use my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. As you can see, I've got the storage box. If you want to learn how to create that box, the link is in the top right corner. And I'm going to use tricolor markers because these are perfect for actually using lots of beautiful colors from light to dark, and also some gray alcohol markers from Aldi, but later on I actually changed that and you will see it in the video. I'm also going to use that vintage set from Spectrum Noir, and I'm going to use some pinks. I really like the set. It is pretty old, but still all the alcohol markers still work perfectly, so I thought let's use them today, because why not? So I'm going to color in my cake first and also some of the elements. And what's really good about this technique, you don't have to worry if you go over the line. Just make sure you don't go over the background layer on the outside, because later on I'm going to use the same cake topper and I'm going to adhere it, so no one will ever know that you actually made any mistakes with those alcohol markers. So as you can see, the idea for this cake was to have like chocolate on top, and then I decided for the cake to be raspberry or strawberry flavor. That's why I'm using 2 different pink colors. As you can see, I'm going to have lighter pink inside and then darker on the outside, which will give me, let's say, a little bit of 3D look. And I also wanted to let you know that hashtag PMA Craft Challenge is hosted by a friend of mine, Monika from PaperMona, and I left the links to her YouTube channel, Instagram, where you can actually find out more about this challenge. So every single month is dedicated to a different letter. So it's September, so it's letter S. That's why I decided to use shaped card and also SVG file, and I use my ScanNCut machine to actually cut all those elements. And also, as you can see, I'm using my Spectrum Noir pens, and I use my storage box, which you just saw a few seconds ago. So I really tried hard to use as many S words as possible for today's project. So when this is ready, I'm going to add some details inside the flowers. And as you can see, I'm using some yellow because why not? To be honest, if you have any SVG files or any birthday cake cutting dice, you can add any colors that you want. As you can see, the alcohol markers really bleed through, so it's always a good idea to have some copy paper or scrap paper underneath. Now I'm going to adhere the top layer, and that will give me very nice neat look. And that's exactly how you can use it for stained glass window effect as well. So if you have any dies like this or SVG files, I really hope you will feel inspired to play with some of the shapes yourself. And this will give you really nice look, and later on I'm going to show you what you can add to make it even more special. When these 2 layers are ready, I'm going to use more alcohol markers to add a little bit more definition and color, because why not? As you can see, there are some flowers here and there, so I thought purple will work really well with pink. And to be honest, one of my favorite color combo is purple and green. So I do wonder what do you think about this color palette so far? And actually, what is your totally favorite flavor of a birthday cake? I absolutely love vanilla cake, but maybe you've got a different one, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. I also wonder, how often do you create shaped cards? I do think they are totally the best, especially in card making. And also in October, on all the Saturdays, I'm going to have videos for you with Halloween shaped cards. So stay tuned for that. You definitely don't want to miss them. Trust me, they are really fun projects to try. And I also wonder, have you heard about hashtag PMA Craft Challenge hosted by Monika? If you haven't, click the link or the hashtag PMA Craft Challenge in the description so you can actually see all the beautiful projects created by so many crafters. And if you want to take part in this challenge, all you have to do, create the project. It doesn't have to be on YouTube, it can be on any other social media like Instagram or Facebook. Just put hashtag PMA Craft Challenge and then everyone can see what you create. So October is coming, so the next letter will be O. So now when these are ready, I'm going to use my scoring board, and using one more background panel, I'm going to create a scoring line at the top, fold it, burnish it, and actually adhere it super quick and easy. And yes, I've got one more layer here because we do see that alcohol markers bled through, so this is the way to actually hide it. I'm going to create that panel and no one will ever see that all those alcohol markers just bled through. Super simple. And if you have never ever created the shaped card, I really hope that after watching this video you will give it a go. Maybe you have some nesting dice. Even square or rectangular nesting dice will work as well. And then you can use any stamps from your stash or other dice as well. A few months ago, I got my ScanNCut machine and I really wanted to play with it. So much fun. Now using my clear overlay from Spectrum Noir, I'm adding that extra shine here. And to be honest, at this point, I left it for about 10 minutes to dry because I wanted to adhere Happy Birthday die cut from Gold Mirror Cut. And if you're interested, all the names of the products I used in today's video, you can check in the description down below. And also, if you use my affiliate links, that really supports my channel. And I also wanted to say a massive thank you because recently I reached 400 subscribers on my channel. And seriously, that means so much to me. So thank you so much to every single subscriber. And if you're new to my channel, I really hope you will actually click that subscribe button and notification bell. Because every Monday and Thursdays I've got videos on my channel and sometimes on Saturdays as well. Now I'm going to use Glossy highlights from Spectrum Noir and I'm going to actually put it only where the chocolate is on the cake. And this way I'm going to have even more dimension and interest. So yes, you can use that trick for stained glass window effect in card making as well. You can use glossy accents as well. These are, I think, very similar products, so yes. And then I left my card for about 2 hours to dry completely. And if you want to see all the pictures of my cakes, head over to my blog or Instagram, and I left the links in the description down below so you can scroll all the way down. So this is super quick card to make, and if you do have your favorite website with SVG files, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm really curious. So now you can see the finished card. There is lots of shine, lots of sparkle, lots of space to write your message inside, and the card stands proudly on a flat surface. And now I'm going to show you 2 other cake cards I created off camera. So I got the blue version with no sentiment at the moment, and also that beautiful cake with 2 butterflies. I do encourage you to have a look at hashtag PMA Craft Challenge, and I do wonder what will you create. For September I use shaped card, scoring board, SVG files, ScanNCut machine, and also Spectrum Noir products. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget that on Monday I've got personalized cards. Bye!